Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to copy an image from the internet, and this could be handy if you want to copy a page or copy an image or something you find on the internet that's nice, maybe a fashion item or a scene or maybe a picture of the last place you went on holidays and you want to send it on to somebody or send it on to a friend. So the first thing you need to do is open up Google, which I've done here on the, as you can see on the screen. And I'm going to just say, like, let's say I want to send off an image of a beach that I visited somewhere. So I put in beach, and it says Spain. Okay. So you get some images up on this page here, but to get lots of images, you click on this here. You see where it says images here, okay? So you left click on that. And that will open up a full page of different images, you can just scroll through. You'll find that there's probably hundreds of them, but let's say we just pick this one here. It looks nice and scenic, so you left click on the image that you like, and it will appear over on the right hand side of your screen in a larger size. And when you get this, you right click on this and you left click on copy image. Okay, now we want to put this, that's actually copied it onto the mouse, so now we want to put this onto a Word document. Okay, so we will just left click down here on the Word icon and we'll open up Microsoft Word and just click on blank document here when it appears. Now there's a couple of things we need to do here before we put the image on. Because it's a picture, it'll probably be wider than this is higher, so we're going to change the orientation of the page. I always find this works out a bit better if you do it. So we're going to click in here on layout, and over here, in order to make some more space on the page, I'm going to click into margins here on the left hand side, and I'm going to click on narrow. So that just leaves a little bit more space on the page to put in your picture if you want to get it to a particular size. Okay, the next thing I'm going to click on here is orientation, and then I'm going to click on landscape, and that just sort of turns the page around. You know, normal page is long. If you turn it around, then you've got a bit more space on the width to put something in, and just anywhere below where the cursor is flashing, you just right click, and then you just simply click left click on paste, and your image will appear. Okay, now I'm going to just reduce that page a wee bit so we can get a better look at it. Now it's, at the moment it's filling the full page, but let's say you want to write something underneath your picture to show off to your friends, and you want to make that picture a little bit smaller. Okay, well, the first thing you do is just left click on it, and you'll notice that some little circles have appeared around the image. You see them up here on the top, and the one I'm going to use is down here on the bottom right hand side. So hover the mouse over this little circle here on the bottom right hand side, and you'll see these two little arrows appear facing away from each other. And when you see those, you left click, hold, and then you push the picture up towards the center. You see this black cross will appear, and you can see that the picture is getting smaller and smaller. Now I'm just going to move the page a bit. You can see now, instead of filling the full page, it's just filling a quarter of the page. You can continue to reduce it if you wish. And now you have plenty of room maybe to write in your message or your script. Now if it's a case that it's gone too small, well, you can reverse the process. Again, hover the mouse over the bottom right hand corner, and you left click, and the black cross will appear, and you drag it down again. Just drag it diagonally really. Now if it's a case that you want to widen the picture, well, you can do it by putting the mouse here on this circle in the middle of the picture on the right hand side. Get the two little arrows facing away from each other again, left click, hold, and drag. Now that worked alright, but what could happen is, as you can probably see, it's actually distorting the image. Now if you want to leave it like that, it's fine, but I find that will distort it a bit, so we can actually put it back to where we had it. Doesn't have to be exactly right, but looks sort of correct there. And that's it. So you can practice that. You can look at the video a couple of times and you should be able to do it. There is an instruction leaflet with this, and you can go through that as well. Okay, so Hope you enjoyed that.